Welcome in NLP. Today I will explain about syllabus of NLP workshop. First, human brain. Second, mnemonics. Third, language of memory. Fourth, important states. Books and authors. Learn books with page wise. Learn historical war. Learn calendar in 5 seconds. Learn countries and its capitals, inventations and inventor, learn river and dam, learn articles of constitution. Learn countries and its capitals, inventations and inventor, learn river and dams, learn articles of constitution. Learn strength of Vidhan Sabha and Lok Sabha. Learn emperors and their periods of rule, historical dates and how to memorize numbers. How to memorize word, how to memorize object list, how to memorize word meaning, how to memorize periodic table in 1 hour. Learn human body elements, learn states formation year, learn awards and its year commitments. Learn banks headquarters and its year of commitments, how to find squares, square root, cube root, multiplication, addition, subtraction and division in seconds. NLP means Neuro Linguistic Program. How to memorize 100 digits in 2 minutes.